So hey everyone, you are watching Indeed the Royal, and in today's video we are going to discuss about how to get isekai without really dying. So yes, today's topic will be about how to get isekai. And so those who don't know what isekai is, it is a genre in animeverse where the main character get transported to another world. It could be similar to the world where we are living or somewhat kind of different. So it's getting reincarnated in a different universe. So that's what whole isekai means. Getting isekai would be a dream come true for many weeps out there, cause after seeing such a life lessons from Naruto, Death Note, and various other philosophical animes, we really doesn't enjoy living our life like right now, like the way we are living. So getting isekai gives us a whole new possibilities to start a new life in another world. It could be, we could get some supernatural powers, or it opens a whole new possibility for a person like us. But in this video, I'm not going to tell you how to die so that you can get isekai, and really, I'm not going to talk about the death and all that scene. But I will be talking about an application. Yes, a software based on artificial intelligence that will not surely send you in a different world, but will bring out your waifus from the parallel world to this reality. Yes, but it would be obvious that not every waifu will be there. So this app is called Isekai, and it has been developed by a Japanese company. The Isekai app aims to allow users to enjoy fun conversations with anime characters. So currently we are having two characters, and these are Megumin from Konosuba God's Blessing on This Wonderful World and Raptalia from The Rising of the Shield Hero. These both characters are loved by a majority of anime fans who enjoy watching, isekai genre. Now, in addition to a number of lines recorded from the anime, the latest speech synthesis technology has been used to create speech that sounds exactly like the characters to allow for a multitude of conversations. So basically, this whole app comes under the genre of conversational app. It's kind of talking Tom, but here the character in the software will actually respond to you according to the environment. It's kind of talking with Alexa or Siri, but the voice is of the character. So for example, if we are having Megumin as a assistant, then whatever you say in English or Japanese, they will be responding to you according to the pre-described versions, pre-described lines, sentences, and all. This application is currently available in two languages. The first one being Japanese, which is free. So the basic version is in Japanese and all the conversations is in Japanese, whereas the paid version is in English. And the character itself will be speaking English and all, and they would be able to understand you. So by the reviews I have seen on Play Store, I got to know that it's not working that much properly. So there are things, there are sentences that when the user is using them, speaking to the speaking to the characters, they are not responding accordingly to the environment or to the sentences that you would be expecting from them. So there is this thing that they are working over that, and I hope that eventually they will cover up all these gaps. And the other thing that I would love to tell you about this application that I really loved is that it has a feature of alarm setting reminders and stopwatch. So the catch is the thing is, if you are having any reminders, you want to study and want to put a reminder, wake up, have an alarm, you can put these alarms and reminders on this app, and whenever the time hits the clock, reminded by these characters voices. So it's kind of having a personalized virtual assistant, personalized anime virtual assistant, to be specific. So you will be reminded by them. It could be like having a real buddy with you, but they are pre-programmed, so can't expect too much from them, but yes, it would be a good feeling. Now the third thing about that I loved about this app is the costumes. So you can really customize your characters. Like if you are having Megumin as your avatar, you can just change her dresses, put some night clothes and all, but these are all paid things. So basically all the good stuff here is paid. Like me being not a Japanese, I can't understand that much of a Japanese, can't speak that much of a Japanese to use this app efficiently, so I'll have to buy the English pack. And for and for the majority of the people who are not from Japan, they will surely be buying the subscription. But yes, these are the three things that I loved about this app. The first one being the language is the optional language in English. Second, the costumes. Third, alarm setting reminders, stopwatches. But there's a really bad news about this thing also, that the company is going to terminate these services from the September 30, 2021 this year. So if you want to enjoy these things, you can download these apps right now, because I don't think so that after the September 30 you will be able to enjoy the services they are giving right now. So yeah, go on to their websites, check out their apps and download from the Play Store and enjoy, have for fun, have your personal virtual assistant. And this is all from my side. And also, this is not a sponsored video, I forgot to mention that. I just got to know about this app from one of my friends. So that's all from my side. See you guys in the next video. And also, don't forget to share this video, like and comment down your views and subscribe. So yeah, okay, peace out. See you guys in the next video.